Banawi Pugaw.
You see, the place is very beautiful. It is very far from the city, but it's very nice. The buildings, the houses is maybe is 100 years or 200 years it was built. You see, it's a mountainous place. We go to the place that on this you see, we go there around street. We already going swimming for the place that is belong to the nature, that is made of God. It's very clean. Old houses, buildings around. This is Borghetta, Italy, or I don't know what's the place, I forgot. It is very far from the city of Bordighera. We just only come here because this is the last month of summer. The last month of summer, September month. Thank you.